open the Google. Here we have to type kea.kar.nic.in. Then you have to click enter. You can see the opening of home page. Okay, here you can see Kannada. If you want to read in Kannada all details, then you can keep Kannada, otherwise you can change the language. Here I am changing the language from Kannada to English. I have changed the language from the Kannada to English. Then you can see the conversion of website from Kannada to English. Here you can see on Flash News, you can see the 3 links. First link, if you click, then you can get the online application of Karnataka CET. Then second link, if you get, you can get information bulletin, means it is a information related to Karnataka CET. It is better to click on second link first. If you click on second link, then you can see the opening of one PDF form which contains 48 pages. In these 48 pages, they have mentioned how to apply for Karnataka CET 2021 and what are the different courses, what is the eligibility, and total details which are related to Karnataka CET 2021 you can get from this information bulletin. Okay, if you see here, if you want to apply after reading of all information related to Karnataka CET, then you have to click on the first link, that is UG CET 2021 online application. After click on that link, you can see the opening of registration page. Here you have to click on new user. Then citizenship of the student. Okay, we are belongs to India, hence the citizenship we have to click on India. Then are you a student of Karnataka second PUC, CBSE, CISE 12? Students who are studying second PUC in 2021, they should keep yes. Then after that you have to enter the 13-digit student number that will given in college. Then previous students has to keep no. Now I am keeping no because I don't. Then here you have to fill the registration details, name of the candidate. Okay, in here you have to write your name, means student name. Here we have to write, I am writing P Lakshman. Okay, that is the student name. Then here you have to mention the father name, P Anjaneyulu. Then here you have to write the mother name, P Lakshmi. Then here you have to select the gender, male or female or other. Okay, male. Then here you have to select the date of birth, 0302, your date of birth, means student date of birth. Here you have to select 0302/1990, example date of birth I have selected. Then here you have to click on your mobile number. Okay, while filling on mobile number, carefully you have to fill. If you don't have mobile number, it is better to keep your very close relative, means your father or your brother or your sister mobile number. Why? Because all notifications related to Karnataka CET you will get through this mobile only. Hence, it is better to give your mobile number. Okay, I am giving my mobile number 970440570. Okay. After entry of mobile number, here you have to select valid email ID. I am selecting here email ID also. It is better to give your email ID because all notifications will get through this email ID in future. PLAKSHMANKUMAR@gmail.com. Then here you have to create the password, any password which contain 8 characters. You have to create any password which contain 8 characters. It is better to create password with few letters, few numbers and few alphabets. It is and few symbols also you can use. but which must contain 8 characters. See, I am using password that is Lakshman, LAKSHMAN, Lakshman 123. Again we have to re-enter the password. Again I am entering Lakshman, LAKSHMAN, Lakshman 123. That is example password which I have given. Okay, select the secret question. Means in future if you are forgot the password, to reset your password, you have to select the secret question. This secret question and answer is helpful for the reset your password in the future. Okay, I am selecting my secret question as what is your favorite food. Okay, here I will write chicken, CHICKEN, chicken. Then here we have to enter these letters, small s, then capital G, capital V, capital M, capital C, sorry, small c. Then we have to click on registration. Yeah, see here, if you did any mistake, the window show like this. Here in password I should use one capital letter and one symbol also, but I didn't use capital letter and symbol. Okay, again I will create my password. I have to use one capital letter, one small letter, one symbol and one number in my password. Hence capital L, next remaining small letters A, K, S, H, M, A, N. After Lakshman I will make one symbol that is at the rate 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's okay. Again capital L, remaining small letters A, K, S, H, M, A, N, at the rate symbol 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will check registration. Okay, saved successfully and log in with your user ID. See, after completion of our registration details completely, after completion of our registration successfully, then you will get one message like this. We have to note down this number. It is an user ID. It is very important to us for further entry of online details. Same user number or user ID they will send to your mobile number also, this registered mobile number also, and it is better to note down this number also, 2021. I will copy it, 2021 028 721. I will copy it and I will save here. It is my user ID. Okay, then after that we have to click on login. Registration completed. After registration we have to click on login. Then here we have to enter user ID 2021 028 721. It is my user ID. Once I'll check, yeah, 721, last 721. Password. See that password which you have created during registration, you have to type here. See that password is capital L, A, K, S, H, M, A, N, at the rate 1, 2, 3. It is my password. Then here you have to enter these letters, that is small q, 4, J, L, capital A. It is not visible properly. Okay, once I will check. Login. Okay, after login you can see opening of the window with the general details. In general details you have to type your general details. See, enter current postal address. Okay, I have to enter postal address, door number 1-23 Akkol Road. Example address it is Nippani. Next state Karnataka. After that district Belgaum. Taluk Nippani. Pin code 591237. 591237. Have you appeared for CET NEET NATA exam before 2021? See, if old students are there, if any old student wrote 2020 CET, 2019 Karnataka CET, etc., you have to keep yes. Otherwise, keep no. Okay. Then this have you obtained any seat in CET, NEET, in NATA and taken admission to college? Means if any old student, if they are wrote, if they get rank, if they got seat also previously, then you have to click yes. Why? Because if anyone get seat in 2020 Karnataka CET, then those are not eligible to get that particular type of seat again in 2021. Okay, if they are not handed over that seat before last date, they are not eligible to get same discipline seat present. After that, once you have to check, then after that you have to click on save button. Here you can see save. Then after the save, general details updated. Okay, after the save, you have to click on next. After clicking on next, you can see the opening of another window. Here, quota under which you are applying for. Say I am applying for Karnataka, hence I am clicking on Karnataka. Next, select eligibility class code. Here you have to select any one class code, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that. Anyone you have to select. Okay, mostly lot of students are belongs to class A and class B. See what are these classes, once we will see in the information bulletin. If you open information bulletin that I have downloaded through the website, Karnataka PUC website. Okay, see here, when you can keep class A, see, when you are studied first class to 12th class, when you are studied from first class to 12th class, when you have studied 7 years or more than 7 years in government or government recognized colleges, schools which are located in Karnataka. First thing, to keep class A, you have to studied 7 years or more than 7 years from 1st to 12th class in Karnataka, government or government recognized colleges or schools. Second one, you must complete your SSLC or your second PUC in Karnataka. If you have these two qualifications, you can keep A. And few types of students, they may complete first class to 12th, if they not complete 7 years education in Karnataka, for those remaining classes they should read. See, if when you are belongs to B class, when student complete first and second PUC in Karnataka, then apart from that, their parents should studied at least 7 years in Karnataka. To keep B, the student should complete PUC first year, second year in Karnataka. Then their parents should complete, their parents have to study, any one parent, mother or father, have to study at least 7 years in Karnataka. Okay, those students can keep B, but they should submit their parents' study certificates during counseling. Okay, like that C, D, different classes are there. Which class you are belongs to, that class you have to keep. Okay, mostly lot of members belongs to A class, hence I am keeping A. Have you studied SSLC? Have you studied SSLC 10th standard in Karnataka? If you yes, you have to keep yes, otherwise no. Did you write appearing attending board exam 12th in Karnataka? Yeah. If you are going to write exam in Karnataka only, the second PUC exam, hence yes. Then select total number of years of study in Karnataka from 1st standard to 12th standard. Here from 1st standard to 12th standard, how many years you have studied in Karnataka, that you have to select. If you studied 10 years, you can keep 10. If you are studied total 12 years in Karnataka only, you can keep 12. Next, select the qualifying examination board. PUC board. Karnataka second PUC board you have to keep here. In which board you are going to complete second PUC. If you are belongs to CBSE, you have to keep Karnataka CBSE. If you are belongs to ICSI, you have to keep CISE, you have to keep that. Okay. Here I am keeping Karnataka second PU board. Select the college category. Okay, this college, is it government college where you are going to complete the second PUC, or where you are studied your second PUC, in aided college or government college or other colleges or unaided colleges. You have to select. If you are studied in government college, you have to select government. Okay, anyone you have to select. Next, state where appearing or appeared for second PUC 12th equivalent exam. Karnataka. Okay, if you are studying your 12th in Karnataka, then you have to keep Karnataka. Select district of second PUC. See, select district, we have to select where we are studying. Belagavi, Belgaum. Okay. Then, are you candidate of Karnataka? Are you candidate of Karnataka second PUC 2021? Yes. Then if you have student number, you have to click here. You have to type here, that is 13-digit number. If you don't have student number or roll number or register number, then enter the year of passing. When you are going to pass your second PUC, you have to enter here, that is 2021. Then candidate SSLC or 10th standard registration number as per marks card. You have to see your marks card, then you have to enter your SSLC register number. Here I have entered one wrong number, but here what you have to do, you have to see your SSLC marks memo, then you have to enter your SSLC marks, SSLC register number. Then select the place to appear for Karnataka CET 2021. Where you have to write, where you are willing to write Karnataka CET 2021 exam. Means it is examination center. Okay, first priority I will give for Belagavi. I will select for Belagavi. Ballari is there. Bagalkot. Badami. Where is Belagavi? Anekal Karnataka. Here it is Belagavi. Okay. Second priority. If there is no chances to give examination center in first priority, they will give second location also. Chikkodi Athani also there. I will give Athani. Okay, are you eligible to climb? Gokak also there, Athani also there. Anyone you can give. One check. What is your near villages, that you have to check, and that you can give. Instead of Belagavi, you can give another Nippani. We will check Nippani is there or not. Okay, nearby villages, anyone you can give. Okay, anyone near villages, near examination centers you can give. Then after that, are you eligible to claim reservation under agriculturist quota applicable only for farm science courses? See, if you are eligible for agriculturist quota, then you have to write agriculturist exam. There you have to pay 500 fees also. Then there is a agriculturist quota reservation is there for few farm courses like BSc agriculture, B Farm, C veterinary. For those courses, if you are eligible, then you have to click on yes. Then here only you have to click agriculturist quota exam. You have to separately, you have to go and you have to write the agriculturist quota exam for to get agriculturist quota. Okay, anyone you can select. Arabavi also there, once we will check. Bangalore, Hassan, Mandya, Dharwad, Raichur, Shivamoga, Bagalkot, Mysore, Koppal, Gokak, Bidar, Bangalore, Mangalore. Okay, Arabavi. I have selected Arabavi. Next we have to click on save. Here they are asking student number. I am keeping no. I will keep no. Hence, again we have to save. If you are miss anything, again they will ask. Hence, you have to fill all carefully. If you miss anything, you can't save it. Okay, academic details are saved successfully. After save only we have to click on next page. Then here you have to fill the reservation details. Okay, first we have to click on religion. If you are belongs to Hindu, click Hindu. If you are belongs to Muslim, click Muslim. Anyone. Okay, Hindu. Name of the caste as mentioned in caste income certificate. Here you have to click on the name of the caste. See example. Uppar. This is one caste name. Annual income of family from all resources. See, annual income. How much annual income is there for your income certificate? In your income certificate, that you have to click. Carefully enter the annual income. Okay, if you get low income, if you have low income, then you are eligible for few reservations. Okay, and don't give fake number. What is there in your annual income page, that only you have to give. They will give annual income certificate. It is better to take that certificate to fill it. Select your eligibility reservation category as mentioned caste income certificate. Okay, if you are belongs to category 2A, 2B, SC, ST, that you have to select category 2B, 2A like that. In income in caste certificate you can see this type of categories. Next, enter caste certificate RD number. See, here you have to mention, enter your RD number. RD, where you can see caste certificate RD number, you can get on caste certificate. On caste certificate, if you see, there is a RD number which start with RD. That number you have to enter here. I am giving one fake number, but that number you have to enter here. Enter income certificate RD number. Here you have to enter the RD number of income certificate. That also start with RD, and then that is present on the income certificate. Okay, that you have to enter here. Then mother tongue as per school college admission record. Okay, what is your mother tongue according to your school record? That only you have to mention Kannada. See, if you are Muslim also, in school records it may be Kannada, hence you have to keep Kannada. Are you eligible to claim Kalyana Karnataka reservation? Yes or no, you have to select no. Have you studied in rural areas in Karnataka from 1st to 10th standard? See, there is a rural area reservation. If you are studied in rural areas from 1st class to 10th class, then you have to click yes. If you are studied from 1st to 10th class 1 year also, if you are studied in other than rural areas like cities, Nippani not the rural area, and Bagalkot, Bangalore, these are not rural areas. If you studied at least 1 year other than rural areas, then you have to keep no only. If you studied 1st to 10th class in rural areas, then you have to keep yes. Then have you studied in Kannada medium, means from 1st to 10th. If anyone studied only in Kannada medium from 1st class to 10th class, then you have to keep yes. You will get the Kannada medium quota. If you are not studied from, if at least 1 or 2 years, if you are studied in English medium, then keep the no. Are you son, daughter of Jammu Kashmir migrant? Yes or no, you have to keep no. Then select the eligibility special category reservation. If you have NCC, click NCC. After that, you should submit that certificates. Okay, they will give some dates for submission of certificates. If you have sports, you have to click on sports, like that. Okay, any extra certificates if you have like NCC, sports, then PH means physically handicapped, like that. That courses that you have to select, otherwise no need to select. Next, are you claiming religious minority quota? If you have religious minority quota, you have to select yes, otherwise no. Are you claiming linguistic minority quota? Only to those who have studied 10 full academic years in Karnataka between 1st to 12th standard. Are you claiming linguistic minority quota? You have to select yes, otherwise no. Are you ward of NRI? No. Then you have to click on save. After that, next. Then here you have to enter the details of study from 1st standard to 2nd PUC with years. Okay. Here name, address of the school. Name, address of school. Example, Gandhi School in Belagavi. From when to when? Which class? 1st class. Then year of study from. Okay, when you are started. Example, started in 2000 to 2001, 1st class. Then we have to click on save. Year of study from 2002. Example, student started 1st class in 2000 and completed in 2021. Then passing year also 2021. Then second class also they will start in 2021 only, maximum 2001 only maximum. 1st class pass in 2001 only, second class start also 2001 only, 2001 to 2002. To 2002 and passing year also 2002 only. Save. Saved successfully. Next, 3rd class. Again 2002 only pass of 2nd class and starting of 3rd class, 2002 to 2003. Then save. After that, if your school name is changed, you have to change the school name. Example, 3rd class, up to 3rd class one school and 4th class another school. Nehru School, example, Nehru School, and another village also, Arabavi. If you have studied, total address you should keep there. Okay, 4th class. Passed in started in 2003 and passed in 2004. Save. Sorry. 2003, 2004. Save. Like that, all you have to keep. 5th class, 2004, 2005. Save. Next, 6th class, 2005, 2006. Save. 7th class, 2000. Okay, battery is low. I will save up to here. After entry of your study details from 1st class to 12th class, you have to upload the scanned copies of your left hand thumb impression, your signature and your parent signature. After completion of uploading of your signature, your photo and your parent signature and your left hand thumb impression, you should pay fees online through Chalana or by ATM card also. Thank you.